7 Banana Face Mask Ideas for All Skin Types. Packed with several vitamins and nutrients such as carotene, vitamins E, B1, B and C. Banana works wonders for skin by making it look radiant and youthful. There are many benefits of applying banana on your face, which you can do in the form of a banana face mask. The potassium in banana moisturizes dehydrated skin, while zinc and lectin help in fighting and curing acne. The amino acids present in banana are a wonderful substitute for anti-aging medicines and creams, as it strengthens connective tissue and maintains the elasticity and strength of skin. We are going to share with you the best homemade recipes for banana face mask ideas for all skin types. In this video, you will learn the benefits of applying banana on your face. How to make a banana face mask at home according to your skin type. Number 1. Banana face mask for oily skin. Banana helps in controlling excess oil and sebum. Lemon juice works as an excellent astringent, while honey helps in keeping the moisture restored. You will need ripe banana, honey 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1/2 teaspoon. How to make and use this face mask. Mash the ripe banana. Add the lemon juice and honey to the mashed banana. Apply the mask on your cleansed face. After 15 minutes, wash it off with a wet towel or cold water. This can be applied twice or thrice a week. Number 2. Banana face mask for instant glow. The rice flour absorbs excess oil and acts as an exfoliator, while vitamin A in banana smoothens and evens out the skin. The touch of honey helps in moisturizing the skin. You will need 1 ripe banana, rice flour 3 tablespoons, honey 1 teaspoon. How to make and use this face mask. Mash the ripe banana in a bowl. Add honey and rice flour to make a smooth paste. After letting it dry for 15 minutes, gently massage your face and wash it off. This face mask can be applied whenever you feel like glamming up for special occasions. Number 3. Banana face mask for dry skin. While banana and honey restore the moisture in your skin and hydrate the skin cells, coconut oil will moisturize your skin as it has low amounts of vitamin E. You will need 1 ripe banana, honey 2 tablespoons, coconut oil 1 teaspoon. How to make and use this face mask. Mash the ripe banana in a bowl. Add honey and coconut oil to make a smooth paste. Apply the face pack on your cleansed face. After letting it dry for 15 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. This face pack can be applied twice or thrice a week. Number 4. Banana face mask for whitening skin. The lactic acid present in milk helps in lightening skin's complexion, while sandalwood helps in softening dry skin. You will need banana, milk, sandalwood powder. How to make and apply this banana face mask. Mash the banana in a bowl. Add milk and sandalwood powder to make a paste. Apply it on your cleansed face. Wash with clean normal water in the morning. This can be applied twice or thrice a week. Number 5. Banana face mask for anti-aging. Thanks to its rich antioxidants, aloe vera gel helps in preventing wrinkle formation. You will need banana, aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons. How to make and use this face mask. Mash the banana in a bowl. Add the aloe vera gel to make a smooth paste. Apply it on your cleansed face. After 30 minutes, wash it off with normal water. This can be done once or twice a week. Number 6. Banana face mask for combination skin. While Multani Midi absorbs the excess oil, papain and alpha-hydroxyl acid in papaya exfoliate and kill the dead cells. You will need banana, mashed papaya 3 tablespoons, Multani Midi 1 tablespoon, Rose water 2 tablespoons. How to make and use this face mask. Mash the papaya and banana together in a bowl. Add the multani mitti and rose water in the bowl to make a paste. Apply the face pack on your cleansed face. After letting it sit on your face for 30 minutes, wash it off with regular water. This can be done once or twice a week. Number 7. Banana face mask for glowing skin. Potassium along with vitamins E and C in banana is responsible for making skin look clearer. On the other hand, milk and rose water brighten the skin. You will need ripe banana, milk, honey, rose water. How to make and use this face mask. Blend the banana with milk. Add honey and rose water. Apply the mask on your face. Leave it on your face for 15 minutes. Then, rinse it off with water. This can be done twice or thrice a week. Last words on banana face masks for all skin types. The riper the banana, the better, as it contains more antioxidants, which are useful in preventing or delaying cell damage in the skin and body. The banana peel containing vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese can be used to reduce acne. Just rub the peel on your face and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes.